00 of Brandon Wilson. To his outside, it'll be the 24 of Toby Lindell. Those two make up row one. Row number two is the 38 of Jeremy Ross. To the inside of the outside, the current win list leader right now with 4A feature wins this season, the 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen. Row number three on the inside will find the winner of the NCRA modified race here this season, the 85 of Tom Tillison Jr. And to his outside, it's the 701 of Jeremy Lacoe. Dylan Cantwell in car 19 will round out your field for heat race number two. Scheduled for 8 laps of competition here in heat race number two. Again, the 00 of Brandon Wilson, your most recent winner. The 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen with 4 wins here at the Highbanks this season. And the 85 of Thomas Tillison Jr., of course, winning that NCRA race back here in June. So pretty solid heat race for heat race number two, as Wilson in the 00 and Lindell in the 24 will set the pace for the field as we work to turn number 45. Just 1 lap complete. Caution flag waves for the 24 of Toby Lindell as the 38 of Jeremy Ross hits for pit road as well. And as does the 85 of Thomas Tillison Jr. And that'll make for an interesting A feature here later tonight, as that 85 of Thomas Tillison Jr. came out of a B main at that NCRA race back in June, the 11th starting spot, was able to work his way up to the field. So again, we'll have to see that 85 come back, as well as the 38 of Jeremy Ross. Those two will have to start way back in tonight's modified A feature. We'll see if the 24 of Toby Lindell can rejoin the field, or we'll see if he has to take it to pit road, as we have 1 lap completed of 8 here in heat race number 2 for the modifieds. The 24 of Lindell will have to cripple it to pit road, so losing 3 cars here in heat race number 2, the 24 of Lindell, the 38 of Ross, and the 85 of Tillison. Narrows the 7-car field down to 4. The 00 of Brandon Wilson, your leader. Again, most recent winner in the modified division, the 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen in second. The 701 of Jeremy Lacoe and the 19 of Dylan Cantwell round out what's left of the field here early on, 1 lap in of this second of 3 modified heat races. Thomas Tillison Jr. rejoining the field now over in turns 3 and 4. We'll turn the caution lights off this time. We'll look to restart down the back straightaway. The 00 Brandon Wilson will have control of the restart. The 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen second, 701 Jeremy Lacoe third, the 19 Cantwell in fourth, and then again the 85 of Thomas Tillison Jr. able to rejoin the field. 1 lap in, 7 to go. We look to restart down the back straightaway. Brandon Wilson will then push over to turn number 4, able to stay on the gas. They'll stay home. The 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen. Rasmussen now way too high in turn number 2, has to check up before getting into the import tires. And it's Tillison works by Cantwell, and Lacoe has up the third. Now looking to challenge Rasmussen for second. Tillison down the inside. Rasmussen up on the outside. Still trying to make something happen down on the inside. second, the 00 Graham Wilson third, the 31J of Jeremy Rasmussen. But how about